From what I found out, you have something like witches and wizards moving the whole of your body.
Yes, Oga. I no sleep last night too. Small time. The thing will move from my head. From my head, the thing will go from my belly. From my belly to my back. Everywhere they pain me.
That's what I found out.
I beg, find medicine where you go give me, where go cure them. I beg.
You will need operation to expunge them, to send them away. Back to sender. Operation.
Operation for chemists?
Yes. I'm a qualified chemisiology, pharmaciology, medicologist.
Okay. If they find person where you go take do experiment.
Which experiment? Let's just go to my theater. You pull off there. I examine you properly. Then know what to do about your case. The operation must come before medicine, not medicine before operation.
If they find person where you go take do experiment, Abi. Operation for chemists. I beg, go tell them, say you no find me. You no see me at all. Go tell them.
You see it?
Tell them, say you no see me.
I'm trying to rescue you from your health problem. You're talking about experiment. As a doctor, which kind of body have I not seen in my career? Okay. Nkita na agbakwa ụja bụ nke ọ na-agbara ụja. Such a bug about your my chemist.
Who is here? Bambana.
Hello, who is that? Oh, my good friend. You came around? Yeah, welcome. What's your problem I can solve?
Give me Up John. Original one.
No, repeat what you said now, let me hear you better.
Ibuzuzunte. I said, give me Up John. Original one.
Mbumba Joka, just take it easy. How can you come here and intimidate me to give you medicine when you've not told me the symptoms? A qualified doctor like me? Qualified doctor? I should tell you what you should take after telling me the symptoms. You didn't hear me? Qualified doctor. Why are you looking like in a job?
Wait. I'm going to call on Come on, Bambana. When have you started doing operation here?
Operation? Oh. I decided to branch in my business, to diversify. Because it beats my imagination that our people will travel to faraway London and America to do ordinary liver transplant. When I can handle it. Yes. You see, if I enter the theater to do this operation, in 30 minutes time, I am out and you are well. Liver transplant.
Let me hear something. Look at you. See you and liver transplanting. I
am full of brain here.
Yes. Full of brain. So let me tell you. Don't use because of this moron called chemist you have and your head will be swelling up.
My head should swell up because of the much I know. That I can do what they go abroad to do. Down here.
Because if you try to do that operation that you are talking about, two things are involved. One, is either you forget scissors, razor blade, bandage in somebody's belly, in somebody's tummy, and Ebola!
And you are here in Mexico, baby. Mbumbajoka, you know how many years it took me to learn chemistry, pharmacy, and medicine? 11 years! Others take about 7 years or 8 at the highest to do it, but I spent 11 years. You know. So in that my knowledge, like I told you, I can enter the theater in 30 minutes and I'm out with good result. What don't I have here? I have razor blade, I have scissors, I have bandage, I have plaster, I even have bed you can relax after operation. So I am fully qualified.
Well, you see, I don't have time discussing nonsense with somebody that doesn't have brain like you. All I need from you is go inside there and give me the Up John.
Up John? Mbumbajoka, I am going to give you what you requested on the condition that if there are side effects, do not call me, do not call police, you don't call any agent of the law. Because if you call them, your action will be null and void and of no effect. Side effects I'm talking about are, for example, this your breast, swelling more than usual, but becoming so big they'll think that you are 9 months pregnant. The other one is just stooling, vomiting, and so on and so forth. So if you agree, I go straight away and give you the medicine you are requesting.
See, let me tell you. It's never your concern. Go in there, whether I take the Upjohn for headache or for stomach ulcer or stomach purging.
Okay.
It's none of your concern.
So you have agreed.
Or don't do what you say.
You've agreed. Let me go inside. Let me go inside. No problem.
Anapogi Bembela can apogi
But like I said, Ebola, okay. Okay.
Bring up John. Even if you like, bring down John.
You know, call.
Okay, good afternoon. I thank God beg you. May you mistrust for me. My belly won't pull off. I don't know what I eat for night.
Shut up, your mouth.
Just give me and do liver.
Shut up. Who are you to come to a qualified medical doctor to recommend the medicine you should take? Eh? You know how many years it took me to qualify as a doctor? Eh? Don't come here and build up intimidation. Who are you?
Okay. I beg now. Me, you know they quarrel like woman. You don't do. Ay, Jesus. You know, don't say customers are always right.
So because customers are always right, you will come here. Okay, why not pack everything here? Go away. Even the money I sold for today, you take it and go. Customers are always right. Be very careful. Huh? How is the belly disturbing you? Let me tell me that one. That's more important.
Okay. My belly won't pull up.
So what?
Sorry. Now so mess at the mess.
Messing, vomiting.
I say then they play drum for my belly.
Drum?
Yes. Sir.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. That's good. That's good. It's even bringing in the spiritual aspect of it. No, let me examine you. Just don't create panic.
Okay.
Let me examine you.
Nah, respect to what you people. My body don't need this kind of thing. I think they worry me. When they do this, my body don't need them.
Look at the doctor who has come to cure you. You see your low level of thinking. The little touching I touched you now shows that you are suffering not only bellicosity, but arthritis. Let me advise you. You need an operation. Yes.
Now they respect them. Which one be operation again? Now you need operation. Just this small belly where they worry me. What they say may give me drugs. They recommend me make I go for operation. Now you then go do operation.
Since you know too much, you can carry your problem and go. But I warn you, go to all my colleagues who read chemistryology, pharmaciology, and medicinology. They will give you the same result. You're going to choose between two things. One, that you come inside, I carry out an operation, or you carry it and go. But one day, I assure you, it will disgrace you. Your belly will want to come out. And those who will help you to send back the belly will see your private part.
What did they do here with you? Make I go there, John.
They will see your private part. Then I came in shop. Now, Maya Kanike. Never say Maya Kanike. I guess only can on a man. But the complaint of stomach. Better Maya Kanike. Ebola. I know.
Bembele, I have a headache. They worry me. Be like say, carpenter the next hammer on my head. Give me Panadol.
I don't know when people like you will come to this my hospital and tell me their problems. Let me do the recommendation. You don't come here and prescribe drugs for yourself. You don't. Okay, let me ask you. Can you go to a carpenter and tell him the kind of wood to use to construct a cupboard or chair or table for you? Can you do that?
Just give me medicine. Be like say I want run mad, eh?
You want run mad? Let me ask you before we begin to derail. Did you smoke Indian hemp this morning?
I they tell you say headache they worry me. They ask me question. Give me medicine, 100 naira on. Eh?
Hey! Ebola! And your Hennessy Giri. When will people like you begin to regard here as a mini hospital where I do different types of operation? I do kidney transplant, heart surgery, liver transplant. I can transplant anything in your body. I can do all that.
To say headache, no, they worry me, man. I for laugh, way. Now who go just carry himself, can't give you, make it transplant kidney. You know where kidney is there for person body.
Hey, Ebola, in your Hennessy, you know, I don't blame you. Just because we live in the same yard. You don't know there are many things I can do as a doctor, qualified doctor. In chemistry, pharmacology, and medicology. See, from what I have seen in you so far, from the way you have talked, I need to do an operation in your head to remove the particles that make you talk like a chimpanzee, a monkey, even a goat. See the way you're looking? That's the way animals look. But if I operate you on your head, I remove all those dirty particles.
Hey! So you won't turn me to mad person?
Even the way you're saying, hey!
So you won't turn me to mad person? If you don't want to give me medicine, make I come out here. I'm waiting.
It is better you go with your sickness than come here and become a problem for me. Why is a prophet never valued in his town? Why? Just because I live in the same yard with you. You don't know my qualification again? I said I can operate your head, your heart, even your private parts, and operate it.
I didn't go.
For instance, if you're not agile again, you cannot meet a woman again. I can make you meet a woman. If it's difficult for you to meet a woman, you bring her here. I examine